Well, I was getting ready to lay down, so I just wanted to watch a little news, and this popped up. Oh, wow. Man, Senator Sanders, he straight up lied in Kennedy's face until Kennedy started throwing out numbers and he started stuttering. So you see these politicians, they lie right in your face. He's screaming and doing all that stuff, thinking that he can override what Kennedy was saying. But check this out. I wanted to share this with my subscribers before I go lay it down tonight. But tell me what you think. Check this out.
So I think in many ways, President Trump and Mr. Kennedy have asked some of the right questions. Problem is their answers will only make a bad situation worse. So let me ask Mr. Kennedy again. If we want to make America healthy, will you assure the American people that you will fight to do what every other major country on earth does, guarantee health care to every single American?
I'm going to make America healthier than other countries in the world right now.
Will you guarantee do what every other major country does? It's a simple question.
And by the way, Bernie, the problem of corruption is not just in the federal agencies, it's in Congress too. Almost all the members of this panel are accepting, including yourself, are accepting millions of dollars from the pharmaceutical industry.
Oh, no,
and
no,
protecting their interests.
Oh, I thought that would come. No. I ran for president like you. I got millions and millions of contributions. They did not come from the executives, not one nickel of PAC money from the pharmaceutical industry. They came from workers.
In 2020, you were the single largest
because I had
receiver of pharmaceutical money
from workers all over this country. Workers,
you were the
not a nickel from corporate PACs.
You were the single largest acceptor of pharmaceutical dollars.
No, from workers in
1.5 million.
Yeah, out of 200 million. All right, but you have not answered. Last question. You have not answered my question.
Mr. Chairman, we're 3 minutes over.
How do we make America healthy if you don't guarantee health care?
We're literally 3 minutes over here now.
Well,
how long does it keep going? At some time, you're just battering the witness, Bernie.
Not battering the witness.
Yes, you are. And you're getting upset at him. You're going at him just like anybody else would.
We'll come to order. Bernie's going
over. Wow. Hey, guys, I'm going to lay it down. You tell me what you think. I want to read some of the comments. Straight up lied. Wow, he said he didn't receive not a nickel, but he got what, 1.5, 1.6 million from the pharmaceutical companies. Man. All right. Good night.